because she's not quite used to our big loud trucks yet. So make sure that we all remain very, very quiet as we go around to the left here. She will be right next to the ride path.
Up, it's all working. If you just hold it, that's all you have to do.
Make sure we all remain seated, everyone. Make sure we all remain seated. It is a safety hazard. You need to sit down. Thank you.
Zoom in.
Hartman's mountain zebra normally live at higher altitudes, so they have much larger hearts to help them pump blood better and get more oxygen stuff when they get down to their bellies. So their belly is just white in color, but we can still tell that their base layer is black because of their black noses.
How old is the baby? How old is the baby?
Oh, the baby's only a couple weeks old. It was like just born.
And 2 times the size of other zebras that allow them to adapt to the higher elevations on Mount Kilimanjaro where they are native. So you just saw a very small zebra with a very large heart.
Oh, it's so cute.
Like they're walking in step, like they're marching.
We are currently holding for giraffes here, folks, so we might be a second. We like to take their time.
Y'all are so lucky this wow. We're lucky to see them just.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, and look in front of the
They're all walking.
Oh, there we go. Now turn around, make it.
Roadblock.
Look at that.
I know, I've never seen this before. We want to go in this. Gabbies.
Here comes another one in front of the
Oh, this is so cool.
vehicle.
Oh, this is amazing. See this in Denver.
So this is a traffic jam.
A very beautiful zoo where you can feed the
So we are in a bit of a giraffe jam here with some of our
Giraffe jam.
giraffes here.
I love Colorado Springs.
Traffic jam.
Oh, tower of them.
That is the coolest thing.
Turn around.
Fear of humans, I guess. I don't know. I've been on this ride at least 100 times. I have never seen it.
Close ones, but we're having a snack on the tree there. You'll also notice that a lot of our trees are wrapped with wire. That is because the giraffes like to try to eat the branches. We'll stop right here so that you guys can get some good
Linda,
pictures here.
Kathy, smile. Linda, Kathy, smile. I got you with the giraffe by your head.
Coming up very, very close on the left-hand side will be our baby zebra. It is...
I hope it licks you.
This is my favorite.
Now coming up on the right-hand side here, we do have a small group of wildebeest.
Whoa! Okay, looks like we're getting past. And the Maasai giraffe on the left.
He's gonna go on the road.
Right in front of us.
Oh wow! Okay, that's so cool.
You must be so happy.
We are going to be
us.
getting really close to an entire tower of giraffes over here on the left-hand side. You'll see a couple of them, some of the more amateur ones, but we're having a snack on the tree there. We'll stop right here so that you guys can get some good
Linda,
pictures.
Kathy.
Very, very close on the left-hand side will be our baby zebra. It is one of her first weeks here on the safari. Now, as we go by, it is very important that we remain quiet because she's not quite used to our big loud trucks yet. So make sure that we all remain very, very quiet as we go around to the left here. She will be right next to the ride path.
Linda,
Right
will
next
you
to
get
Mama.
the baby? Just hold it up. It's all working. If you just hold it, that's all you have to do.
Make sure we all remain seated, everyone. Make sure we all remain seated. It is a safety hazard.
Oh,
Y'all are so lucky this wow. happens. We're lucky to see them just.
why can't I get it to? Okay, there we go.
Oh, and look in front of the road over here is more.
I know, walking in front of us. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Now turn around, Mary Kay.
Roadblock.
Look at that.
I know, I've never seen this before. We wanted to go on this ride at least 100 times. Gabbies.
Here comes another one in front of the
Oh, this is so cool.
vehicle.
Oh, this is amazing.
amazing. Can't see this in Denver. So this is a traffic jam.
A very beautiful zoo where you can feed the
So we are in a bit of a giraffe jam here with some of our
Giraffe
little
jam.
pals here.
I love Colorado Springs.
We are going to be
Giraffe
still rolling
jam.
behind these guys for a hot minute.
Look at that!
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's an entire tower of them migrating in the road here.
That is the coolest thing.
Whoa, that is so awesome.
We're the reason the line's not moving.
In Magic Kingdom, they have the Main Street Parade. Here we have Animal Kingdom's Giraffe Parade, right in the middle of the road.
Oh, Mickey, turn around, turn around.
Hi, he's coming right at us. Hello. Coming right at us. Oh my gosh.
He has no fear of humans, I guess. I don't know. I've been on this ride at least 100 times. I have never.
Oh wow, look at the giraffes in front of us.
The ultimate roadblock here, my God.
Whoa, singing a song.
Look at these guys. They're just strolling in. Not a care in the world.
It's all right. I get paid by the hour.
Hey, we're not complaining. This is
Oh, y'all are very fortunate. This never happens.
Yeah. Now we know why there was a 95-minute wait for this ride. The giraffes are all over the road slowing down the vehicles.
Wendy, if you want me to hold that again, I'd be glad to.
Okay.
Up on the
Sure.
right-hand
Okay,
side
thank
here,
you.
we'll also see a small variety of antelope known as the Springbok. The Springbok get their name from their ability to spring
Oh
up
my
to 6
gosh,
feet directly
so
into the air.
close.
They can also reach
Whoa.
up to speeds of 60 miles an hour.
That's amazing.
And not only do they look very sweet, but they actually smell sweet as well. They are able to release a pheromone that smells exactly like cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Whoa.
This is where I usually Yeah, because they don't.
Oh my gosh, he's coming up behind us.
Okay, is this
Oh
Hi.
my God. Good Lord.
Hi,
Oh,
babe.
so pretty.
And each one of their patterns are.
I think I finally got it.
So if it's a 95-minute wait to ride the ride, now you know why.
We were getting so mad and flustered.
I'm so glad we tried when we did.
Yeah.
This is amazing. I have never seen this in my entire Disney career.
I'm trying to see what you're taking. I know it.
Your entire Disney career? Oh, there they go.
And we are back on the move, everyone.
So elegant.
I don't know how many of them I actually got right to leave.
Elegant. That was beautiful.
That was amazing.
We were a little engulfed there for a moment.
Never gets to see this, you know?
That was
I
awesome.
can't wait to see your video, Wendy.
Oh.
Now we are coming up on another treat coming up on the right hand side this